to me. Damn, Shella, I was said I got things. This I said never find nobody.
I know that road left your friend. But some black in our ear, worldwide. If you're your friend now.
After that, I get away by the clock. 4 bad fingers got a walk. I'm not driving. Trying to pull up my foot. Boys put up like saying that. Yeah, news I go out, the man go out. Yeah, this week you know some man that I would have done. Who don't like it already? Who don't want it?
You know me, I played us about 3 years now. You understand already? So, you understand? When the fight first time, not the stage. Yeah! Big up on the road there, you fly down and you enjoy yourself. What is it? What you got to do? No more play one song. Oh, show me a tease of new man in a red body. Hear this!
Honey, you
What is it?
are my star. Don't you go away.
Some other boy was hot girl. On the thick like Kylie. Even though when I step out the clean, y'all see I like you. We can't play that song. We can't play that song.
These bitches fall from a nigga.
We can't play that one. Ready up.
Dog, I beat bitches, street bitches, slap, cocoa bar, sweet bitches, say you wanna eat bitches, but not me. That nigga get off the plate all he wants, and I dig. I fuck with these hoes from a distance. They said they start to catch feelings, start to steal their shit, then I'm out, just like a thief in the night. Sink my teeth in the bite, nigga like what they get more like, what's up tonight? Come on, ma, you know I got a wife. You got that pussy cat, I'm not gonna jeopardize my life. What is it you do?
Who the fuck is this? HB 546 on the moon. At the door, yeah, you on it. White one out my eye. See who's this page of me and why? It's my nigga Pop from the barber shop.
Big up all I talk to me like this.
Heard the beach.
Bobby and there. Larry not there. Zach Dennis is there. You want to go down there? Big up the one I was smart. I reach out. I don't care if it's a fire, hold it on.
Them say we not both survive.
We feel it,
Caliber wet like too fast. I'm going to too fast. Boom bang. Them look like too fast.
I know you can't live in a sense.
This time fish now.
Every man should up, you got up. Show up, son.
And a bulletproof is up and bulletproof.
I know that change the number by your friend. You're not
This
changing the
one said,
number.
you can't do
Go down there, go,
Oh dear,
go.
if you turn your back on the dog and remember all I wouldn't used to the on the block. I was talking about say, who don't have a rich, now you rich. You switch, you really do that. Right now, I want a meal for share with me and my friend. This one said, you can't do that. Oh dear. Oh, if you turn the back on the dog and remember all I wouldn't use to the on the block. And I talk about say, who don't have a rich, now you rich. You switch, you really do that. Right now, I want a meal for share with me and my friend. I get it, I get it. Right now, I want a meal for share with me and my friend. I get it, I get it. See them now, man, I be on the street, them gone.
All who want me play one squash, they squash.
God bless them.
All who want me play one squash, they squash.
Them not be stretch them. No mystery with me in a
Yes, I'm a good woman there. Somebody carry it, so.
If a friend can't buy a drink, buy more.
Music I play and the speaker buck. Summertime now, everything turn up. Me ball a diary cologne is sneak up. My girl tell her friends that we linking up. She like after me try, she quinting up. Reach at the bar when we drinking up. You know I'm from one. Some boy, I'm not here, no. Pretty girl wanna fuck some deep and done. Me a drink and give me some cream and gum. Water party and when the water
Watch out, watch out.
That's gonna be good, girl. That's gonna be good.
All the watch it now. All the watch it.
That's gonna be good, that's gonna be good, that's gonna be good. We're living with the midnight. I be turn it up and no. Boss and
All the watch out.
you know you're
Get him on your shit.
that's gonna be good, that's gonna be good, that's gonna be good.
What are you talking about now?
I dread in a wisdom. And the sick we are three and a beat couple sister. All a wind up like a wheel. Jamie drive our praise.
All who say
Passenger, me no smell like ginger. Couple beer, champagne, shots of tequila.
yeah.
When me
They can't play one coming in, boy.
click like ninja. On a stick and set your man. We have weed up there.
People, when they play that song, we don't beg no forward. Right, boys, me there.
You're not zero boss,
Right, boys.
Aye. Family,
Right, boys.
we say
Don't
family.
go.
If I want thing, me hate a fern killer. Ready, no believe in a fern killer.
Right, boys. And we say
family.
direction. We love the
Follow
back
them
of
to
them
the heart. Who do the earth, one of them. We kill it to the end of the very start. We real better them. Cause them no know when we a buy 3 sardine and 1 pound of rice from shop. And them no know when we a get chased by cops and the mark and the handgun job. And all the woman make it now. He don't know how struggle feel. He gon' know.
All in the boss make it alive.
I will know.
But my can't stop
We
you.
nah make them trick we and kill we. Ready say you must see blood clot. Life are the greatest thing that. Me no let go and me no let my God. Breath. How we energy them want it. Boy me see.
What do you think some people know you?
Them know.
But me no want a new friend. Why me say that?
Watch them a act for your thing. Watch you on a clip on the win. Stay wide with your fakes, man.
Right, man, big up yourself. Man, last year they mash up the
Them
place.
not happy for weed, happy. It's like the pussy them not happy for weed. Get to you.
They play me last song.
Happy. It's like the pussy them not happy for weed.
No.
Pussy them not happy for weed. Them no office we make it, but we stuck in the cheek. Have them girl in my ride, I brought the cocky for free. One bag of fake smile, but me watching the pre. Hey, so pussy them not happy for weed. Make sure you're my dara.
That is a free.
Life sweet when they make
What driver? Right, man, it's not to the end of.
happy for we come from, it's like hell in a yacht. You can't walk in on my shows, I live me sell on my shows. Make sure they hear your voice, so make them strong, them can't ever get rid of we. Only if I really me see them try, I don't know them can't die down. Man, boss way and rich, now them want see my life. Me know them can't die down.
Can't go in your heart. Then they be the same. Everything alright. And everything plug in, everything alright. Base of this song. From way out to the country. Yo, engineer.
Killing machine, this bomber clash.
Engine. Yeah. Love how it sound. Yeah.
Hey, so this is.
Yeah.
So this is.
One first and foremost sound like a scratch record in the way I roll me going. I can't before I say anything. I say, he that did it in the secret place of the Most High shall abide under the shadow of the Almighty. I'm still say Holy Emmanuel I Selassie, aye? Alright. We got the people them from USA, the Canadian them were there, the English them were there, the Caribbean people. Hey, which more country? That's the brain kinda, Africa, Israel, Japan, Portugal, Brazil, France.
Dream Weekend Day.
You walk with all you know you're speaking. Anybody from St. Mary there? Kingston? St. Catherine? Portland? St. Anne? Westmoreland and St. Bess? The clock across them chest. Anybody from Chiloni? Alright. Montego Bay! Yo, Negril! So MARDI, y'all go get.
We even if I come good here, we are kill son boy. Son boy.
Alright.
The friend them dance and fool, not take them fit one. Not tell us man I want in them as them. Bless a dissy, the pretend of them. Kill them, let them not I am a kill them. You even a fuck kill them, call the devil from them, listen what fi them. And when them on a bus I go on every. Pin the first get up every. Anyway, you remember when I be free. The boy them get tired of weed and run. Myself on a ground level. Hear me now.
I want to play it, take the next some little jump and sound skull just get back. You can't stop this, and this is good, no matter how you want to hear about that. Can't talk in a damn face, say you run place, I run, you run. And a action back from sound all you put up. That's why them dance on. That's why them dance on. Chat them and chat, not up, live you up.
Remember the radio? The all time radio. I work with one all some point before I go, hey. Alright now, alright. Start dancing, come face that apple. That part here is creativity. But now go overdo it. But never no sure no, a little thing. Based on this not cut no play. We cut bam. That's when them jump. Problem. People, we put new songs on all rhythm. But before we play a new song on the old rhythm, we go play an old song on the old rhythm. So you can remember our fresh on the brain. So alright, and the first one this.
What's the right on?
Yes, I see how too many y'all get slam to money.
Many.
Alright, that's an old song on the old rhythm. Now this is a new song on the old rhythm. Based on this, roll.
Dark bass of the saver strap with two can easy. And we ready for jolly to a them. Got the magnum, chrome and pretty. And the browning clip extend. Bust out your head February. Artisan can't fix that till April. Bass of this make your face a pitchy. Feel more, send them a hell. Bass of this squeeze up the chicken.
One more new song on the old rhythm.
All me need is thing full and get a bad driver. And Shella spend Shella man a job like what?
What must you come on them then? Hey Negril!
LNG the public camp and planted. Say it to God and donkey and if the body not the place. No matter how far you get to be not the flip. Every cup of gun she and 6 man.
Now bass of the girl them. Bang! Bang! Bass of the bang bang boom. Bang! Bang! Bass of the bang bang boom.
Level! This is creativity again. One bad song, for the girl them way, we put paper to pen that mean rising over. We turn a girl song in a bad song, paper to pen, bass of the thing. Well, listen.
Your bass of this song, kill some jump and God guess what? Them more than we used to clash. Them now they don't play, they will play like Josh. They engine bust them make them brain a splash. Your bass of this song, all this some jump on. Or if you want clash it on, them man a sound killer, one of them a batty man. In a selector face where the shot is slam. Bass of this is sound kill people. Then last them body blood clan magician. The engine, all if you want clash it on. Your words, listen boy, happy don't buck out, you're dirty. Nobody you talk, you a talk. Me fuck me back, 19 bar to kata. Rifle a bar to kata. 90 a bar to kata. Talk them a talk, pussy them a talk, them a talk. Skin to the
push out it, ready now. Ready now.
Crazy, you're crazy. Here than the late to your crazy. 145 watching here, kid. Ready. So now. Here's a this show. Yeah.
Somebody say, ha.
Ho. Kill off the hall of them.
Slap wet, I know real ball of them.
You can't kill bass of this, me no think. Bumbo clocks so no full of links so. Bass of this, shoot every dog, every cook, every drink go off a dash shot so they
Yes, I this it. For all the bumbo clock, black rain place off he went up. Man got book fi do body fi.
Alright. I'm going to ask the man a question now.
Come you never fuck about it for your band, for your band, for your band. Me want feel a gunshot in the ear now, ear now, ear now. From you never suck a pussy for your band, for your band, for your band. Me want feel a gunshot in the ear now.
Talk.
You said that nigga been some ranking me.
Everybody free a jump. I get something now with him. Everybody will love Polani. Stop, jump, 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 jump. Where y'all is standing? Every girl is run up and down in ya. Run up and down in ya. We go bye bye in a massive way. And we don't promote levels. Who asked them a question? When I say cartel, you say Gaza. Cartel! Cartel! Every Gaza, stop you, stop you, stop you, stop you.
Yes, I see your time of God, but if you will not God, God will right man can't shot if he kill back the man.
Yo! All of them man are one here.
What's the me do when we here?
Gotcha man! But I
Great for the nerves.
Some boys sell out themselves too much.
all of them man are one here.
This is them say, hey you. Girl can't go no be a so this is. Me not the good book. No sound can't tell we how old love.
Take them.
A girl alone, be a man not tell them. Some son of fish out and road them can't talk to me.
Wow.
Well, my fuck girl for me, me and you there and there.
On a promotion. But remember,
Alright.
anytime you do something,
Put them on one here.
well, if a pussy want not like West. God knows sound boy, be a sadistic predator. We tell them this sound boy. So come to girl, cause bad man no HP go blow petrol. If a pussy want not like West. So come mama, God knows sound boy, be a sadistic.
I don't care if you're yourself. We're gonna let them. Alright. I know all night today, and I'm holding out there, and I'm gonna prove. And you know over there, I'm gonna hold a voice. You over there, I'm gonna fling out to the crutches. Make sure when the nose part, when I fling it, so when they're ready, we can find it back. When I want to just fling it and make it last. So, on girl, that's girl. On girl, that's girl. The pocket, can I see the pocket? Every girl now. Whoa! Back it up now. 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 Alright, back it up now. Back it up now. Back it up. Every girl that knows we are ready out and there. Alright now, get on the ball. On the bit. You can't work like the African them. Give me your African one. Now why did you roast it down? Oh!
For your sake, I could go touch.
Oh!
I drive around it for my Porsche. Baby, Anna, they say you like you all. I got you all. Baby, Anna.
Level! Hello, you in on the pink for the man with long pan. Hello? You in on the pink for the man that spins for you. Hey, orange, you in on the orange. Hello, come here. No, I'm not listen to man. God, no, don't ever do that. No, we're not scared, sir. As bad as things, we are entertainment dancers. Good night. Say good night. Alright. My name is Conscious Peng and you are? You're Ashley. Where you from, Ashley? Brooklyn. Where else? Hey, Brooklyn in the house! Well, Ashley, I know you're from Brooklyn. And you might wonder to yourself, why out of all the girls in the event, I choose you? You know the reason why I call you? Let me tell you the reason why.
If I tell you, say I love you, oh. My money, my body, now your own, oh baby. 30 billion for the account, yo. Versace and Gucci for your body, oh baby.
Somebody! Stop.
green man stop on Facebook. I want to test that crowd here. Find the green sitting up on Facebook. I want to see if them people are active and have energy. The green sitting there, I want to see what going on here. Everybody who are acting, everybody start dance now.
Bienvenidos a la cripta. Dame tu cosita. Dame tu cosita. Dame tu cosita.
See them.
Dame tu cosita.
Do the dance then.
Dame tu cosita. Dame tu cosita. Dame tu cosita.
Walk with it now. Walk with it. Walk.
Dame tu cosita. Everybody wanna vibes, everybody feel good for now. Every time we touching at the club, everybody get a voice, you know. Just dancing up, just dancing up. Everybody catch this new dance. Come catch this new dance. Everybody catch this new dance. Come catch this new
Man shoulder for your flick, everybody. Man shoulder for your flick. Cool it, what's a far with the young, the new dancing. Man shoulder for your flick, everybody know. Man shoulder for your flick, everybody know. Watch your words to a speaker, with your bad man. Man shoulder for your flick.
How many? How many? How many? Lolly, short and tall. Short and tall.
Man shoulder for your flick, alright. Man shoulder for your flick. Cool it, what's a far with the young, the new dance. Everybody know. Man shoulder for your flick. Man shoulder for your flick. Watch your words to a speaker, with your bad man. Level. Let me see if you remember the motto. Dancers. 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 The fight that I'm picking out the feather. No man, my mind, everybody know. One man up, we go get the cheddar. If you not like that, hold them there, hold them there, hold them there. Hold them there, fully back, hold them there. Tenabums, 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 do the dancer. Tenabums, 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 tenabums. Me and the ball. Let's show me the dancing person. We don't want no respect from the Latin. I bought the cash down, how are you doing it? Over the tickets, study and learn. Shell up, shell up, money up, one I know. What am I saying? I don't want to be a roll on my gear. So I'm all for the money, somebody I know me. I'm making some party on it. What I know. What am I saying? I don't want to be a roll on my gear. So I'm all for the money, somebody I know me. I'm making some party on it. Honey, I'm just a drink and a jump and a walk and a slide and a drop and body. Me chain up so much, like I heard about me.
Who remember one long time dance from Macca Diamond in the body of cold food? Everybody start cold food. Everybody know. Cold food, no. Hold on.
Lolly, short and tall. Lolly, can't ball. Lolly, short and tall. Lolly, can't ball. So what some say, what some say. What some say, what some say. Take you over here, take you over here. Take you over here, take you over here. I was in the carburetor.
Let me tell you why me say big yard.
I just a win Songfest, a world class champion this, you know. And through me win world class and one bag of people want hype up and this and that and. So hear me argument now. People, you see the early on, some I think it was Team Shella's though. The fat boy. run off him mouth about mighty crown, yam dog and all these things, man. And a regular argument that, man, yo, the warlord this, you know. Me a king in our sound clash, you know. Don't do that, my youth. You see that fat brother there, I talk about me and him dog. So what in here? He must have him pump on and so him fat. Him near pump on, that's why him so fat.
Yo, soldier, yo. That's some boy a pussy boy.
What thing me a tell a fat boy there?
Yo.
So pussy boy, stop boy like your tough. Cause your woman a beat you with jazz, you a crook.
Yeah!
Mommy man there.
When they rising up, you wanna be a
Where vibes and the mighty on the Far East yardy there. We are all the vibes down here. But you see, once we touch on the road, you know the way the people ever call me? Murderer!
Stick it do that. See,
Tell them already, I just tell them again. Tell them already, I just tell them again. Come on!
tell them already we have to
Sing along! Them up.
Uno better show me uno and
All original Diati Jamaican!
show me uno spin. If uno ready to go eat a bun me.
Youngster!
Stepping like the
Level. 27 years me a play reggae music and dance all, you know. Me no hurry come up like that fat boy there.
Well, I've been through hills and valleys.
I survive out of the young gangster alley.
No gunshot, no skip and dolly. When the people them back in the jungle in me rally, no one them up.
I not kill nobody. No. Well, I'm dead still, cause him run off his mouth. Don't run off the mouth on the Japanese there. Remember me tell you, cause me a God bless you. If you don't shoot me, I go shoot you back. How you mean? All of the God bless people who don't enjoy themselves right now, all who enjoy life, put up your two on here, listen to that song there.
Yeah, man, somebody to crown song. Smearing.
All of the God bless people.
Mighty crown and with them fight is so hard. I look at thing you never come on. I look at thing you put your trust in the Lord. Them want you faith in the man like that. Let them do you, cause them get no reward.
My grandma said, show me your company and me can tell you who them is.
Now to some song. Mighty crown, no you don't do with you. If you're not sure, no progress. But if you go too late for that, no stress. Be friends with some son, that's all.
Yeah.
Simon, them chat about got things and them screw.
Level.
Just so them come down.
You know say you're power real G. You know say you don't have no fish in your group. But I'm
In the mighty crown, we say we never have one link give a shit. Mighty crown, never have one link we have mighty crown, we never have one link we not gonna be never have
all of the progress. Yes, I did that. Listen to this.
reach up never forget to
Come from. Sing along. Worry about.
we not to live long. We understand your judgment. We want to live by next sense. And sell my soul to see it and
All of the God progress.
mighty crown,
Put it low from me.
we the grabbers think like a dick. We send them home, yeah.
We are telling them this.
Remember in a Negril,
Dream wicked.
you are punk, I throw me a smash. See when you know no booze cause a ash. M1 right with your pan on the block. Crack your skull like calabash. Pussy have you ever not get in a traffic? Have you ever bust a man throat with a hatchet? You don't know nothing
Sing along with me.
Mac 90 go deal with your capital. See them a bad man a liar them. Man show your rifle, you never fire them.
If you never fight, you tell us this. Listen this here now. Already for me, you here.
Hey DJ, listen me know where me just come from, yeah. So me know me a go. You see the road where me just come from, yeah. So me know where me just come from, yeah. Changes, changes in life. Jump on a plane in life. Me da complain, she alright. Changes in life. No more baby life.
Every man now take no bother from nobody. But a blanket and you listen to something.
Them coward like that. Never yet get a chance. So how you bad? So how you bad? Them hungry bad fi make car. Full car. You know no hard fit we no not hard.
And still I go on like, yo, the man never teach me, throw me. Yo. Just shut up your mouth. Stop chatting. Stop chatting like some dirty girl. Me, I tell you this, you know. Them not reach where me they right now.
Them want know when me have a lot. Take a crocodile, kill a man a bus. Like take a like this. What's a tomorrow? Back up to the should have name cave time flyer. I know say Russian, I think nothing go against Russia. None of them know that on the level. To that even I know how I do it. I just do it like Jordan, I do it no Shaki, no Cody. Every man is straight and clean, must have them. Every the Japanese, them must have them. We tell you this, mighty crown on the land. From the king, in the way no white pants. Simon no big boy things must have them. You know like when mighty crown has been suffering. Anything violate murder, jump on. Big up on the glory. As a mighty crown and we know we are more close. So knock up our body now, bun me now.
Eat trophies me I'm in right now, you know, but what can me I tell you now?
One bag of cash trophy pan winner. Champion son in the damn thing. Jump on the stage, play the anthem. Mighty Crown, watch you now. Band Shella wear the goddamn song. Mighty Crown killing the champion song. Them boy they just start bust gun. Yes, they fan up this and make it. Mighty Crown bad like 90s Nassau. Yeah, me a send them a ninja. Young country the fuck to other top forward. Show them power one, posted them. Smart one when I police the mark.
Big up the Canadian them in the house, English people. Where the New Yorkers them, where the Brooklyn crown up there.
This man from 90s, Machiavelli make you know what a hollow hand is. So never mind me, run up like business. Rev out your life like 7 seas. Dance and we shot you, we tell you when the weed is. New locks gun spit bullet like Wrigley's. Son of AK sing like Leroy Sibley's. What? This man from 50s and 40s. Them man they bring rice to go to the parties. Head stand now, but with no feds daddy. Does it in a feast.
Can I tell you something about Mighty Ground Song?
I don't wanna take bad up. I'm Mr. Simon, Sammy K, kill them for free. Mighty Crown, we not frightened for nobody, but we respect everybody. But we better than everybody. Mighty Crown can do it, anybody. Now no sound no better than we. No boy no better than we. The man we can and say, gun up for them stand man. Crown on in a bag of long talking with it. Something, kill something, kill something, kill something.
We not beg no friend, we don't want no new friend. All everybody.
Not just friend, not just devil. They might pray hard, feel good. Not just BS, not just trouble. Human being, not just devil. If we moving on this motion, we can't stand no beg boy weed. Bye, big bye. Anyhow, I don't beg for no weed. He's my best friend. Someone never get rid of me.
How about this?
Only if I really see them try tie down, know them can't tie down me. Man and boss so you rich now them want see man lie down. You know them can't die down. Unruly with love. Tell them we don't fail. El Gringo and Chapo. We'll violate them, Chapo. Fucking boss. Me over it. Put the cape and repeat. Pull it in her face and her feet. Left shell on the street. Make base for the seat. Boy got the world figure for you. MTV Mac 19 on your face and dance. So real bad man kill them. Police come find them dead on the street like that. Them man rifle a sting them. Here one step and one here one. Pussy man a bad from here one. Most out was beer man. When me rifle a still like beer.
How about this?
Shut a left the gun and every man a collect some. Anybody run a get it, anybody run. Get a balance, if they never say just my this one. Badness them a copy, and they place them down in. I don't need it right there. Everybody can see it.
Where we go?
Say me I'm over it. Oh yeah. Yalla be safe, I make you clean so. Yalla be safe, I make you clean so. I agree, smoke and throw through the window. Me I'm over it.
All of the ladies, if you have no back problem, you know so you don't get no more than you.
Right now, me not no more. Gotta be everything. Right now, me not no problem. Now we're on nothing. Now we're on nothing.
Why worry when you gotta work? 1 minute was everything I work, still I work. Still I put my name still no matter. You mama know about my lifestyle, yeah.
Me kite I'm on them real bad. And you see don't take stop me by your keypad.
Slack count all money, yeah, you know Jaffy, not your money yet. Mighty go, when you make a dollar, you feel spinning. Every time you come round and spinning. Millions the in the billing. Don't worry about the teeth, you just say style one. Fresh cash, mighty go, fresh cash. Always the fresh cash. That's my friend, I'm Friday, come on. One, fresh cash. Fresh cash. Mighty go, fresh cash. That's me. Stand with them.
Tell you pussy what you get 10 out of 10. Up in a minute, go and you spread out again. On the body, good left, don't make out of 10. And in a young one, when you step out again, I just 10 out of 10 out of 10 out of 10. Want me to book and make me take out, maybe I just 10 out of 10 out of 10 out of 10. Bubble party, body, baby, I'm a do them. Yeah. I got to tell you, them kind of feelings they felt you. No, say you're independent, baby, but somehow me want help you. When you skin it up, that's the best view.
Big up all of the ladies once again. But me don't like girl who stush level. Me don't like the girl them who stush and chat too much. Me know you them girly. Every minute them they on selfie and yo, I saw me I look nice and man. And them not show them belly, you know. They try to eliminate them belly and say, yo, me took that man while ago, you know, and the artist, man, artist, and real. Me no want them dirty girl here.
Some of them girl here say that. Yeah, wanna move. Yeah, wanna move. Yeah, wanna move. Wanna move. From me to the hill outside, girl, yeah. You the problem in my life, girl, yeah. From me to the hill outside, girl. I just play a question from my wife, girl.
This, no.
Dance all of me everything.
Dance all of me everything.
Dance all of me everything. Tumble this. Finny bounce, yeah. Every bad man and every dog, yeah. I pray to your boss, yeah. Fuck up the place, yeah.
Fuck out that bounce,
yeah. Y'all are praying on me, every bad man, yeah. Me like your oxygen for your lungs, yeah. Make your boom speak when I come, yeah. Dance all can't stop, forever, ever. Dance all can't stop.
Clearing.
Dance all can't stop, forever, ever. Dance all can't stop. Dance all can't stop.
Try talk with a dancer.
What everybody with a dancer? What's it? With a dancer. Rock with a dancer.
Mighty crown again. People of mine again. Do what you feel like? The fight it. Dancing nice.
Mighty crown. Get on the dance now. Dancing a mighty crown, nigga them. Feel of the power, England and trend. Immigration, I can't love you then. Let me just forget about signal the plan. Signal the plan, make we signal the plan. Signal the plan, make we signal the plan. Signal the plan, make we signal the plan. Let me get right back up. Signal the plan. Good. From you know you in your own zone. Yeah. Mighty crown, show them the parachute.
Parachute. What more to me a play in the world fight?
We are
the mighty crown.
You want to fuck up a party? You like a just man. You like to feel like spend some cash. All of the men just watch. Pachi shows and the bed was match. Gucci no fast with a tough that. Money of the car, the gun and a blood clot.
Don't man go like them a top notch. Oh, when we check it out.
And guess what? Somebody you look like 5 years old, that's the usual. You got run ninja and you lose again. Real quick. You're a mighty crown. What you wonder what she got? But she still a come get the national. Style management.
Pull up. Well, Dream Weekend. Thanks for having the mighty crown sound all the way from the Far East. Give thanks, you know what I mean? Just full job.
That's something they are bad man this. Oh, if you call a man fat, that's right. Let me just clear up this thing.
Jello Beats, holla at me.
I came marvelous with a fat nigga, but no boy can't call me no fat nigga. You must see one get gunshot nigga. Worldwide me say rise up the black nigga. What do you mean about a girl? She have a hot figure. She run mighty good cause me cock nigga. I'm telling this man, you're a murderer in a real life. Big up 90s.
We no afraid of nobody. No afraid of nobody. We no afraid of nobody. No afraid of nobody. We no afraid of nobody.
Everybody will do say I'm clean. We are the one. We are the one.
Dirty bad mind people can't stress me out. Who have never tried that can't get me out.
Russian, why them stay so? No one see you to me so. When I try to survive in a life, they try to stay down. But when warm up lay down, 6'6" and a bit. One time my life down. God, you just to
Level. All of the girls every day with your real friend. Ladies, hug up your friend side of you. Kiss your friend on her jaw. Say, I love you, my friend. Put up your friend on. Tell her. Yo, right there. Yeah. Some of them are money friend. Watch out for them. Some of them are money friend. Yeah. I mean the bar is full and bad up.
Come on up your mother. Kids are your man.
Listen, me be a Westmoreland, but tell him say, when I score more than girls do what them say. So me hear them a talk. I mean what them to be about. Boy, I fish up them both. One boy! Let me shine them on the friend. Bad people time, I want to the murder.
When you see me on the Gaza with me K-Class back, put down your phone, no bother call crime stuff.
Any Gaza fans there?
No say Gaza crime Gaza. Gunshot,
Level! And everybody you see with gun a bad man. Some of them are intimidator. Let me tell you this. Level! Which level? Which part me forward from far from yourself? One place named East Kingston out of Rockford, Warwick Hill. Jarrett Lane, Mountain View, the whole of them place here. But you see how far from me at me there? And them rush me and me defend myself. That means say me bad naturally. Tell them!
Don't tell me bad anyway. Rifle up your slap it in a face like a ring. I come to a place on his son, chop out your head. Chop out the left face, shut out the dead. Walk out of flesh, you will
put it down! Rise up!
Slap it in a face, kill your eyes. Kill it,
I can't think of your plan. Be very nice chatting. You're nice. Right this way. You see what me got for you? What is this step there?
I saw you this there. Right here. Like a slave. When bodies and get me feel good. We say, yeah. When life forever.
We don't introduce that song, yeah. Drop it.
As I'm saying,
my place and my place. I got a place. I'm in a place.
man. Turn it up, let them go.
Them are no good man.
This is what's up. Where down over there? I can work on board. Give me one of them.
What am I doing? What am I saying? I'm some lunatic. Let me know say we are the most pneumatic. Me nah fi bad up myself. Them know say me bad already. Them know me head mad already.
If you can't defend yourself, we have something.
Boy, just when you man gas, me say the pussy have the dead. And you got make the alien walk. Papa shall tell us
we are dead, man.
Bad in a real life. Bad in a real life. Bad in a real life. You know see no more victory life. When you hear roop roop, and you think we specialize. In a question, I could feel.
Hush, hush. Everybody will know your beard before you come on. Show up the bed game. Buy a bigger bed. When him see and look your back, say nastiness, you are.
I go buy you one time, cause you can't talk back when down the game. Hey, hey.
Flabba dabba don't stop. Oh, what a feeling. I love the fuck feeling. I want to feel everything in me. Load up your gun.
Why not, ladies?
Me want breathe, baby, come in. Why not? Me there, but now condom in me. Flabba dabba, oh, you feel so good. Me love for my pussy, just to grab me your wood. I tell me can't hold it. Baby, me can't hold it. I can't hold it, me a ball out. The fuck took me a fair ball out. Flabba dabba, oh, you fuck me so good, baby. You know you a real G. I can't hold it, me a ball out. The fuck took me a fair ball out. I tell you, fuck me so good, baby. You know you a real G. Give me the good one,
Watch it out there.
Snake wine on balance.
Watch it out there.
Flabba dabba, you are my number one. Baby, me love the way you're grind.
Level. Level. I like when you roll this place, baby. I like when you long out your tongue and wet the wrist and you roll it in your mouth. I like you. In a real life. Jesus. Just lick your lip for me. Lick your lip. A little. Jesus Christ. Whoa. Why you make me just smash up the dance? Yo. Calm down yourself, tight hey. Calm down yourself. Ladies, a winding time, see me.
Samika then when a boy have it up, when him pull a vein and muscle on it up. And as a girl, you know, say your pussy buff, you cock it up. For your back as when him turn it up, I make you go ooh, 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 my belly.
Make sure it's done for the love. Can't see nothing in your wine.
Girl, you are the one. Boy, me baby. Girl, you are the one. The cocky tough, girl, ride me sturdy, John. Back it up on the dan, me work it long. Your pussy tighty, pussy tighty. Your pussy tighty, oh, you're tighty. I love it, me love it. Oh, when you ride me, set it up now.
Why this make you feel like though? Why this make you feel like though? Why this make you feel like though? Girl, when team Shella play, come wine, get a rock off, nigga. Rock off, nigga. Rock off, rock off, rock off, nigga. Rock off, nigga. Rock off, nigga. Rock off, rock off, rock off, nigga.
Girl, you are the cheerleader, so come shake up your pom-pom. Shella, do it like you're a cheerleader. Make me feel like a cheerleader.
What are they now?
You make the cock go now. Now they just want me touch you, so tip on your toe now. Wine fast, sweet.
I'm going to say my last one this.
Yeah, bounce like a ball and boom, boom, boom like a ball, yeah, boom, boom. Your body tight overall, yeah, boom, boom. You chuckle, jump over this like a wall and do it like a ball, yeah, boom, boom, boom like a ball, yeah, boom, boom. Your body tight overall, yeah, boom, boom. You chuckle, jump over this like a wall. Girl, wind up your body, your teeth.
Flower, my girl, turn me on.
Man, just boom, 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 girl.
Stop! Oh, me not say no. Yes, when me ease on me belly, she tear out her blood clot, yeah.
Buck up inna. Buck up inna. Buck up inna.
What on that?
Yes, you buck up inna. Yes, you buck up inna. Buck up inna. Yes, you buck up inna. Hands off arms and the dealer favor talk. Team Shella ever act.
Jog them.
Ain't that? If me drop, nobody no laugh, yeah? All out beard before you come in here. Put up your hand cross, anybody knows beside you. Free up the hand them, man. Come walk in here and see one little boring something that go on. And you know me to run that boring joke then. Pick up the man them one know you train. Every man who train, put up your hand and say, train! Me no like how that sound. Yo, Sana, dream weekend. We don't come collect back on the money. Me no like how that sound. Me go ask it again. Every man who train, put up your hand and say, train! Train! Thank you no. Pick up the ladies, they want to know your mouth clean. Maybe you want a little small scream. Me no like how that song. Me no like how that song. Pick up the girl, them want to know your pum pum clean. Say, sure. And that me a talk about. If cute baby born out of it, say, sure. If you not bring no girl and no monkey come here, say, sure. Everybody fi answer me now. Who God bless? What if I fussy one I like with?
Father God, it's me again.
Every God bless on over here.
A great man always I go get a fight. Feelings of being self and himself.
Every leader put your hand on.
Doing that, I shot him out and see a damn thing.
Why leader?
This thing, but I didn't see nothing to follow my son. Remember when me the proud of it. I know me never nobody feel proud of me. I don't let me sleep hungry. I must be proud they cover me. Me no in a bankrupt. Me no day in jail, that's for the bankrupt. But me know me fucking they know me done up. 6 out here, they know me run prof. I took on a cup of coffee. Squeeze up my breast. Watch streets anyway.
Me I play 3 more songs. This never fall in love already. Put up the hand on me, son. Put them up there.
Big them smell. Remember foreign smell him up. Big them smell. Lara Dan. Remember, big them smell. Remember foreign smell him up.
Never make you feature nice part of it.
Smell like fire. Where you go, Zara Dan?
Should I call the pastor to dance with me? Hush. Next time.
Jimmy Cho.
You see that next song?
Fergamo. Creed and them something them aware.
That song you have to get in the mood. If your man not done Negril with your hush, reminisce on yourself, your touch. Good girl! What to go?
Young man, you know what to do it.
Have a part night girl. Ladies, I want to call hoo. Always, when I understand, I always want another partner. But what they mean? But you know me like now, my last song I go play then Matterhorn. You see from one day, no ugly girl no there again. If a girl choose to keep the image there and she won't keep it, look good as sell a shop. If a girl knows too big, she know how much foundation to put on one side. to make it look level up. If her forehead too big, she know which hairstyle for wear to make it look alright. Believe me. How one day I see a girl what me know about couple years now. Me call her iron board. You know what I mean by iron board? All in one. She flat, no curve, no turn, nothing. She straight. So one day I see her and she curve up. Me say, what go on? She say, I want to you fire links. Me have my dirty money. You know, see what go on nowadays. Me say, alright, my girl, live your life, man.
You do your matty and your breast and them there. Girls and Asian girls. Don't you see your breast man and see your bumper. Yeah, you look like a lovely dog.
Watch me get it!
Showing up the dog. I would like to see you without your job.
What the hell song you play she get first? That song you play she get first. Me can't believe I am more than dance to this. Believe me, what she dance to?
Baby, shake your bum.
Hold up. Yo, my girl. How are you say a while ago? Repeat what you said.
I said, I'm nurses, I love your filings for years now, follow you, know.
Wait.
West Palm Beach in the building, yeah.
No, that you did say. You did a bad me up early about come up on the stage. What you did say?
Never let me come up on stage, come dance again.
That you said? And the badness. You see like what that you said? Me I go tell you something.
I pussy long
Matthew with enough respect. You. So I want to make me put on black back. So, why do I put on black? Zara pants. So I just waste my black. We have bag a little. Just see if I could. When they now give me a round of applause to the job I'm going to do today, water party. So, clap up the boot. So where you think me was going wedding yesterday? No, brother. I'm a drive, come back in, broke my neck, to make sure I enjoy myself a water party. Me no sleep yet. And I see everybody them play God and Jesus, Mary, Magdalene and Lock, dirty wife and look back. Big up to my ladies them. But tonight is world vibes and me put on black smarty for dead. Oh, nobody not dead. The whole of them around here lip and a lap. You're going to kill off the whole of them bomb back, lad. Drop something.
Common sense. Grass road and all.
That's ignorant. My man Friday 13th of March. Let me just drop some dub and let me deal with me again.
Common sense, you all are not there.
In a dream again. Yes, I did. Me no kill country Spain. Send a gunshot here to fire link. In my sheep, but a friend.
Give me some song. Wake up over here. I'm me up this song, them not no song. I'm going to bust up the head. Let me drop some song. Voila! More song, flower. Oh, boy, yes, sir. Big up VIP, we are on the song. Oh, boy, yes, sir.
Who cares?
Give me some tune, the flower.
When you come and say you're stuff for kill them, let them some pussy. What you want to say?
I feel like for us, we have to reach the juggling, yeah? But let's go around. Go around. What about me there? Where are you running to now? Never where you reach. I'm going to wake them up now.
Kill them and make the whole Jamaica sing.
Oi! All of you rate to Rising King and go on 2 and here now. Never go to some sample tonight.
We ready to murder son boy, we no cater. We kill some.
What up, brother?
Let's see the inside here. Let's see the attitude.
All of you live lavish, turn on some lights over here. Set! Lavish. Lavish, no? Big up a British girls and next week I'm in London. When? Time for ask for you. May I start it slow and go up the ladder? We have to reach it. West Palm Beach, what? Believe or not, lot of this, bro. What one? Big up a family there. Alright, well, let me get back.
You understand? We just start with this.
What up? Lever. Them dirty stinking Japanese there. But the system beat them last week, no? And the fat boy triplets to him a fuck one of them people trophy. But I don't know. Yes, tonight, turn it up.
The Japanese them a go dead. The German one
Never go dead.
Matterhorn.
Give me something. Who are the British crew there? Everybody from England. What? Pull up, brother. Pull up. One up. Let me see which part you reach. State of emergency would be extended. And them say that on November, if me go Moby and play this in any garrison, it a go extend. This is Rising King from Moby, TJ from Moby, Tommy Lee from Moby, and no boy can unify Moby, so me have to do it. Jump that one. No boy play this. Sample. You reach it tough rhythm yet? Go tough rhythm, the first one. All who come from Moby, a big blessing. When the bad man them when you're not taking the shot from no boy. Put some gun and some light over here. Every fortnight, turn on. Turn on every fortnight. Come stay. When me in the block. Hey, Rising King, start this up. End up in a 7. Don't touch him at 11. What? Voila! Oi! What you have done there? What DJ there? DJ! All of you in the family, give me some light now. Let me tell you I'm good now. Family! Walla! What's that? 5, me can 2 take all 3 minutes. When me reach my girl, me can take all 3 minutes for my wife and she feel good. Oh, now tell me about 5 minutes. Ladies, any man will spend 2 hours, 3 hours for your pum pum, you're all boring. Alright, do the maths. If I am saying every woman over here so far, me no see no stay bad girl. I swear. Because you know me talk the truth. If you stay bad, me say you don't look good. And most of the girls them, when you do on the body, when you look good, when you put on yourself together, give yourself a round of applause. So with all the sexy look they know, and the X-rated outfit, oh me as a man for jump on my girl and take 2 hours. Something not right. If me come quick by your pussy, then a good thing that, and my fault, me never know say to the tight and fat, never expect that, and a flop me flop. Be proud of your pussy, don't blame it on my cock. Any boy no get no pum pum for dream weekend, kill yourself, drop that. See how you play Rising King, huh? Everybody with their dream, look how you do it.
Dream weekend talk. Every girl I play in a dream weekend fear no fall.
You see how you deal with it? So you deal with it? Give me that next one then.
If you not trouble me, we not trouble
me. 29 miles in a. Hey! Yo, me have some bomb for drop over here, you know.
Everybody doesn't pretend, all of them are dead at dream weekend. What you don't know, I catch the Japanese rap on it. But tonight I'm here by the ever gun drum. Yes, I see if you know me, no love.
Warrior!
Take fire links, suck your mother, tell your mother, suck your back. Take your back up, block you, take it down, crash down.
Warrior!
Wanna leave you more facts, some pussy Japanese, I don't know man a chat, yeah. Suck your mother, suck your mother, suck your back. Take your back up, block you, take it down, crash down.
Give me that one first. Give me.
You know, bad man thing, you know. All this one boy, all my trap, jump on it.
Never jump a two for the girl then. After that one then. Pull up. You know, so me have some rotted band for drop over here and the boy them a run like some lick. I'm going to drop one more. Drop that one there. Give me a sample.
Yeah, nigga.
I'm going to snack them now. I tell. Hear the one now. Hear the one now. Hear the one now.
Last week of some fest. Them rap Matterhorn make the fans them vex. Show the Japanese them a fuck triple X. Say your trip go Japan and a car market. Tell them time and them woman. Why scatter house there? Dirty fire links. You next a get quick. Just some pop down from steady them left. Come on be advised and a scream like you're deaf. Lock out your mouth when you pum breath. Matterhorn now no pity. But tonight we don't want to kill me for this. We going poison the Japanese. Kill fire links for your under Miss Kitty. Be advised and smash up. Fire links.
What? Yo, Dan, I have some sample something, you know. Do another sample. Big up to the officer there. Boy, I love tell. You notice every time I tell people one more, them just get wicked. What do you listen to them say? What riding king? One more, and the man just one wicked dog and something. What I listen to them tell Ding Dong? One more, and the man just get wicked. One love, one more, someone. We got about 10 more? Officer, give me about 5 minutes to the girls them now. Sure. The woman them there never premeditate for pum settings. Everybody have go home now. Give me some song to send them home now. Give me some song to send them home now. Every girl on that show. Big up the British girl, but get here that yes, baby, what is it here? Yes, watch out when the song will get rid of yourself. Better. Watch out, Jesus Christ. Attack. Do a thing. Slap back on our messenger. Slap back on our messenger. Bam, 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 bam. Everyone dance with a girl.
Girl, your body in a bed. See the
never. Why kill?
You get me fine, you hold me the close and me sanctified. Me want hang out me deep on your panty line. Body that, you ready now? When you lift it up, me see the prick. Knock it up. Fucking sexy now your heels for me. Me a beg your girl just when your knees for me. Brace up your body pretty please for me. Your tight pussy girl a squeeze. Backers is a girl a want. Ladies.
Yeah, it's the boy singer standing in for Reggae Vibe TV. And what they are what? Fear Vibe. You don't know they are full black. And what they are with Icon and Link. Go on, my brother.
I'm going to sing you good dog. Up move.
What do you think about Dream Weekend 2018?
Yo, the water party dog.
Where's it? Out of all, the water party, Wet and Wild, at the back.
Wet and Wild, bad. Yo, remember me a star, man, bodyguard. Yo, Sean, look.
Where go, my brother? I'm there, man, everything good. Yeah. Which party stand out the most? Yo, the water party, the shots, I'm not lying. Yeah, water party today. Believe me, crazy. Alright, shout out to Reggae Vibes TV. Yo, Reggae Vibes. If you now watch Reggae Vibes TV, you now watch nothing. I swear to you. After that, son. Shot. Yo, what can the fans expect for 2018 and 2019? What kind of fans expect?
You can use explicit language. Whoa, rich pussy. Girl pussy rich. Like a super latte. Bumbo clam kind of frost. One singer, you know the thing. Reggae vibes media. Okay. I'm kind of high, but singer, you know the chip.
That's Jing responsible. Get home safe, brother. Big up yourself. 2018 Dream Weekend. No, it was a bomb. If you miss it, you diss it. You hear me? The anniversary did loud. It's sell out. When they are going full job myself and I'm a full black. You don't know what? I don't know my thing. That's big shout out to Reggae Vibes Media. And them have the hottest coverage on dancehall TV right now. You can't go around it. What do you think about Dream Weekend 2018?
It's great. It's absolutely my first time. It's great.
Alright, which party stand out the most for you?
What?
Which party stand out the most for you?
Wet and Wild, of course. Yes.
Wet and Wild?
Yes.
What about my brother? You good?
Yeah, I'm a good man. Yes, best life. Rich badness.
Alright, this is the Reggae Vibes Media. Which party stand out the most and what do you think about Dream Weekend 2018?
Every year, you have to come to Dream Weekend. Wow, man.
Alright, Real Vibes, who do you think win the clash so far?
Huh?
Real Vibes, who do you think stand out or play the best so far?
Every single ball, the Dream Weekend was mad. Every ball. Every second, every millisecond, every trillisecond, every millisecond.
Big up, big up. Good morning, you enjoying yourself?
Yeah.
What's your name and where you from?
Shanice, I'm from Toronto.
Where you from?
Toronto.
Which party stand out the most for you?
Pardon?
Which party stand out the most for you?
Went Wild.
Wet and Wild?
Went Wild, yeah, as always.
So, is this your first Dream Weekend?
No.
Alright, what do you think about last year compared to this year, the anniversary?
I like this one better. This year's better, for sure.
Why?
I don't know.
Why it's better?
Explain it. I don't know how to explain it. Maybe just my vibe. I don't know. It's nice. The vibe.
More vibes?
More vibes.
You have anybody you want to shout out to?
My mom. Boy.
Big up Reggae Vibes Media. Big up to Reggae Vibes Media.
Big up Reggae Vibes Media. Hey.
Yo, it's a boy singer representing for Reggae Vibes Media. And we are what beer vibes. You know, not full black. Over there with the general himself, Steve. Of course, you know, one of the promoters, the director. Welcome, my brother.
Well, sir, brother. There, I chill out tonight, enjoying.
All right, as a part of the team, what do you think about this year, 2018 Dream Weekend?
10th anniversary is something for it to boss. We incident free so far, and we have been going, so it's all good.
All right, 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10, we say.
All right, for the patron, they love it. They say the Wet and Wild stand out the most. What you think is the best party for you?
Well, the patrons speaks for themselves, you know. We're here to make sure the patrons have a good time. And if they're saying the Wet and Wild, we say Wet and Wild.
All right. Question. Everyone keep asking Reggae Vibes Media, hey, what's up? Are we going to have a Dream Weekend for 2019 or is it just a cruise? Tell us.
2019 Dream Weekend, 2019 Dream Cruise, Dream Forever.
Oh, so we're going to have Dream Weekend 2019 here and also the cruise, right?
Everything, Dream Weekend Forever.
All right, respect and big up yourself. You have anybody you want to shout out to?
Everybody. The boss, Chris Kiel, everybody for life. Romain Virgo, Chris Kiel, everybody. Dream Weekend, Dream World Team.
All right, you hear it from the man himself. Dream Weekend 2019, same way it'll keep the sale, it'll keep. So you don't know. Zinger representing for Reggae Vibes Media. And guess what? We're there. We have a breakfast party now. It's going to be loud. If you're hungry, you better come to be continued. Come. You enjoy yourself?
Yes.
Which party stand out the most for you?
YUSH.
YUSH?
Yeah.
Are you looking forward to the breakfast party?
Kinda. Me a little bit tired, but me I go try and make it.
So you're not hungry?
Me hungry, but me tired.
All right, big up yourself and enjoy yourself. You have anyone you want to shout out to?
I want to shout out my family. Ow. My cousin over there, Tarika. My cousin Jody. And all of my family are Jamaica and in America.
All right, big up yourself and get home safe, all right?
You too.
All right,
Thank
big up. You enjoy yourself?
Yes, thank you. I'm enjoying myself.
All right. To be honest, what you think about Jamaican 2018, the anniversary? You think them bring it?
Maddest thing.
Yeah?
Yes.
So for those who miss it, look into the camera and tell Reggae Vibes Media what they miss.
Oh, you miss 2018 Dream Weekend.
Yeah.
It's the greatest Dream Weekend ever. I've been here like 5 years, and this year, greatest.
So you're looking forward for the cruise?
Yes, sure.
All right, you have anyone you want to shout out to?
Oh, shout out to my friend Barisa, Barbie, Tiffany, Donna, Splinter, all my friends in White House, Westmoreland, my baby father, my kids. Big shout out.
All right, big up yourself and get home safe, okay?
Thank you.
Hey, good night. What's your name? I mean, good morning.
Morning, baby.
Wow, I'm your baby. I'm a big man, man.
Man, so you have to be my baby.
Whoa, I like her style. But anyway, what's the name and where you from?
My name is Lady Petra and I'm from England.
Is it?
Yeah, man.
Bloody hell.
First time at a G weekend, I love it. I don't find me Yankee man yet though still. Because I don't want a yard man, because I have enough of them in England, I don't want them.
So you come to look a man?
No, I come to look at husband.
Is
a
it?
Different thing I want, green card.
No, the lady I talk about things I like her. You are go on.
I'm nice, you know. Nephew nice me up tonight. I'm nice from there. From waterfall to all black. I love it. I love it. I love it.
Like you're full of energy. You went to all of the party?
Season pass, baby. Season pass.
Hold
All the way
on.
from England, you know.
Are you energized about your party?
Oh, you know what? I'm going home to my batteries. I'm not going to trouble no man tonight.
Oh, shit.
Better get myself in that trouble.
Get home safe, all right?
Amen.
Hallelujah. All right, you don't know, so what they are real vibes, I mean beer vibes, the full black. And at the after party we are going to, you know, I will book up on some celebrity. Welcome, my brother. Yo, use that money there every year. You don't miss it. So what do you think about this year, 2018?
I've been coming for what, 10 years. And that year hot. When I say hot, the people them turn out that year though. I mean, like the settings. I mean, like the progress same way it's still going good. And them continue to do this. Yo, we love it. You know what I mean?
All right, question. Which party bring out the best stuff for you for 2018?
Actually, I like the water party. The water party is usually the best event still, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
More free flowing, a lot of girls, you know, a lot of sexy female and thing. But the water party is the ultimate party still. Most definitely.
I know for sure say he's a man, you're a yard man, but they're based overseas.
Yeah.
You have any word of encouragement for the patrons who going home and who never come before? Just tell us something more and just big up some people.
Well, one big up my wife. She run at the corner there somewhere, go and do her thing. But you happen now. I mean, for the people who come to this party still, everybody come for have a good time still. But you know, at the same time, it costs a lot of money to come here still.
Yeah.
But at the same time, I encourage people to just walk safe and, you know, try do everything, you know, in a positive way. You know what I mean?
Yes.
Love themselves.
And everyone deserve a vacation. And one life we have, you know what I mean? So when you make money, just try and put on someone so you can, as well my father says, spin it, you know what I mean? So when Jimmy can come or the cruise, you can, you know what I mean? Go full joy yourself and have a good time. And nobody think about the negative, just be a positive, you know what I mean?
Be a positive energy, man. That's how we are doing it for 2018, all right?
All right, so big up yourself and get home safe, you know, my brother. Zane, you know, shout out to Glamour Setter, man. What you do?
I know, right? Yeah, man, check out my boutique. We have a boutique in North Carolina where we design some stuff. The website is www.glamoursetterboutique.com.
Yeah.
And, we make we sell a lot of hot outfits for the girls, you know. So let's go check us out, man.
Let's say nothing more. People, just go up on the website and type it in, and guess what? Call my name, Zinger, and you get a special discount. Remember, them man design for be a celebrity, you know. If you think I joke, man, just go up on the website and check it out. Remember, say my name, find out my name, I'm not even going to say it again. When you email him, say my name and you get a special discount. Big up yourself. And we represent him for what? Reggae Vibes Media. Good? Well, I see you go on that bag or something.
A whole heap of things, a dream weekend, it's a big weekend.
Yeah.
We have to do it a Sherlock.
The real lock.
The real lock.
All right, what do you think about Dream Weekend 2018?
Are the best.
Yeah?
Well, it kind of wash out a little bit, but
Yeah.
you know it will come for do, so we have to do it regardless.
Cheers.
Yeah.
But which party turn out the best to you?
Well, first of all, red and white.
Red and white.
Yeah, and the water party.
Water party lit.
Yeah, it come liquid everything, the water party. Yeah.
All right. Big up some people, no man.
Well, me I big up Team Kashai first. It's a promotion. All right, and me I big up all the American girls, Canadian, England, the British, everybody.
Yeah.
Big up on yourself. It's a wonderful time.
All right.
Dream
Big up
weekend.
yourself, no man.
Big up, same way.
And get to them safe.
Dream weekend.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, a beast mode, you know. Beast mode. You know the code. CODEMODE. Mode, you say it. Say it like fully loaded, you know. I hear me I say, you say Dreams Weekend. You know the anthem. You know the anthem. It's Dreams Weekend now. It's Dreams Weekend again now. Sure. Tell a friend to bring a friend. It's a Dreams Weekend now. Next year, me see you again now. Sure. Hear me now? Ayo, I just show, hey, the party is so wicked that I lose some of my voice. But hear me now, the voice still there. Hear me as an official Beast Mode music. Instagram, you don't know. Beast Mode of the place. Me's a dancer, me's a writer, songwriter. Beast Mode.
All right, big up yourself, brother, and get to him safe. So you're a dancer and he's a writer. You're multi-talented.
Yeah, multi-talented. They say what me I deal with. Yeah, man, a real artist.
You a bad move, no man.
All right, watch out now. Watch out. My name, shoot them up. Shoot them up.
Yeah, man, me try.
Shoot them up. Shoot them up. Shoot them up.
Yeah.
Shoot them up.
Yeah.
Now one of them, crush them. Crush them. Crush them. Crush them. Crush them. Now one of them, crush them. Now one of them, dagger the girl. Dagger the girl. Dagger the girl.
Well, I got dagger them, man. Dagger the girl. Dagger the girl.
What you mean? Let's show you my dagger.
Come here. Watch out. Bomba.
Dagger the girl. The beast mode, they don't know. Body sauce is not the world. Beast mode. Y'all know the code.
All right, pretty girl, you enjoying yourself?
Yeah, I am.
All right, what do you think about World Vibes?
World Vibes was pretty late. I was late, but I'm glad I was able to come out and shake my ass.
All right, tell me something. Which party bring out the best of it?
Me for so wet and wild because.
No, hold on. Stick up in. You get wet and you get wild.
I plead the fifth.
Tell them no more.
I plead the fifth.
All right. You looking forward for the cruise next year?
Of course, I gotta be there, right, bestie? Of course, we're there.
So what's the name and where you from?
My name is Trish, and I'm from New York.
Can you give me a cheese 65 camera? No, I like your style. You're too body now. You have anybody you want to shout out to?
I just want to shout out everyone who's not here. Make sure you're dreaming next year.
You hear that? And me says the fun says so. Save your money and come out next year.
We're dreaming.
So hold on, you going to the breakfast party?
Of course.
All right, save a plate for me because you look like you're going to eat off everything.
You know it.
Anyway, what's your name? Where you from?
Montana.
Where you from?
London.
Bloody hell.
Huh?
I said bloody hell, mate.
Jeez.
Anyway, which party stand out the most for you?
Ooh, what was the one yesterday? The red and white and yesterday's, which was the
Wet and Wild.
sheet. And Wet and Wild was good.
Yeah?
Too wet though.
Is this your first dream weekend?
Yes.
So you're looking forward to come out?
Yes.
You have anyone you want to shout out to?
Tony's my cousin. Tony. Jeez.
All right. Big up Reggae Vibes Media.
London girls.
Shout out to Reggae Vibes Media.
Reggae Vibes Media. Jeez.
All right, big up. Come here, Tiger. What's the name and where you from?
Lisa, I'm from London.
Yeah? All right, what do you love about Jamaican Dream Weekend?
I love the music, love the party, everything, the alcohol.
You look high. You look high, as in you're
Oh, yes, the weeds.
you driving?
No.
Make sure you have a designated driver.
Bikes.
Okay? Oh, you going on a bike?
Yes, love it. Every night, bike home.
So is this your first Dream Weekend?
Yeah, first one.
Oh, shit. You coming back next year?
Yes, no, 2020.
Oh, yeah.
I'm going to the cruise as well. I'm going to the cruise and the Dream Weekend next year.
You going?
I'm playing no game.
I wish.
I'm not playing.
Hey, you got any Jamaican manners yet?
Pardon?
You got any Jamaican manners yet?
No, not yet.
All right, don't go home unless you get a Jamaican man, okay?
Okay.
All right, big up yourself. Get home safe.
Thank you.
Oh, shit. You want a kiss? From who?
You.
Is it? Kiss me on my jaw. You see that? She's cute. Anyway, what's the name and where you from?
Oh no, I can't. I'm shy.
You shy? All right. Which party bring out the best of you?
Sorry.
Come here, man. All right, let's shout out to someone. Come here.
Shout out to my friend's coming now. Thank you.
Shy. All right, take care. Just that she want to kiss me. Go with that. All right, so it's your boy Zinger signing out for Reggae Vibes Media. And of course, you know, the party did lit. It did sell out. It shot like a M16. We're not pre the violence. But guess what? You see that area? It turn over. It shoot on the sky and everywhere. It just loud. Me just attack a bag of things, a crocus bag of things, with 2 scannel bag at the side. So you know, so me kind of high. But guess what? I have a designated driver. So anybody come to Gym Weekend and you're drinking, make sure you have a driver to get home safe, all right? For 2019, we're going to also have Gym Weekend Cruise and also Gym Weekend in Negril. So whichever one you want to go, save your money and come. If you want to see this video, make sure you go on YouTube and type in Reggae Vibes Media and you can get all this exclusive footage, okay? Remember, if you want to come to Gym Weekend next year, just go on the page and just get your code. You're going to see the code and you can get a special discount, all right? You don't know the thing about man, you think loud and it's shot. Big up to all of the people in Negril. I don't know what's normal. Yo, Gym Weekend 2018, it lit. I'm out. Breakfast, here I come.